Okay, today we're gonna introduce 2017 Lexus NX 200T from 4x4 shop. As you can see, the car comes with navigations, all those touch radio, media, and you have the touch panel over here. And that's we all install one interface, Android interface into this vehicle. Let's see how it works. Can go to media and choose AUX. It's automatic switch to Android. So all the knob you can see is here, and we can plug in USB to have a chance to play video. And also you can play music from USB as well. So all the movement is by touch panel. You can still use the original touch panel as well. So let's go to apps. You will see we have setting, which is you can connect Wi-Fi, all those basic Android setting, and also you can install, you have Play Store, and also we install one offline iGo map here. As you can see, this is offline iGo map set. So also you can use online Google Map by using your phone data to have online Google Map and also traffic informations. And also this browser can have YouTube to play video and Bluetooth music. And race. And also if you have original backup camera, you still can use your original backup camera. Let's go to reverse. And there is one more cool feature. You can add 3 more camera on this interface. As you can see, front, and when you turn left, and also there's one cool feature. When you go turn left, it shows the left side if you have the camera. When you go right side, you have the right camera. When you go straight, you have front camera. If you go to reverse, you have backup camera. Once you go back to park or go to drive, you have back to the main menu. And this is easy to use, and also it's Android systems. So we're gonna have this unit later on, and if you're interested, because you can call us for more information, and we go from there. Thank you for watching the video. This is 4x4 shop, Canada. Thank you. Have a good day.